Okay, we've got the Fender Champ 12 here, late 80s, early 90s, 12-inch speaker, tube amp. Needs a lot of work, but it is functioning as is, so it would take some repairs, but it seems like any qualified guitar tech could repair this thing. So we're putting out sound here on the clean channel. The jacks are, jack 1 is missing, and jack 2 is kind of gnarled. The hex nut and the threads are kind of stripped out, so I've just got it held in place. But it'll put out signal if you kind of find the sweet spot. So that just needs to be replaced. The treble knob here is just really pretty nasty. It makes the signal cut in and out. So that needs to be dealt with. The clean volume seems to work fine. Seems to work okay there. The gain, well, the foot switch seems, when we go into the gain channel, that both the gain and the volume knobs on the overdrive channel seem to work okay. And then I'm going to go back to clean. The reverb seems to work, seems to function, but it emits a high squeal if you take it past 4. So, but it does seem to function. The power light works. The channel switching light works. The tape input, the line 1. The 1-volt line output and the stereo headphone output are untested. You've got a little cosmetic damage on the Tolex that needs to be dealt with. But yeah, a cool little amp if you want to put a little work into it. Okay, thanks.